So I got a brand new hot water heater for the RV. It's a hybrid electric, but I am boondocking out here in the bush, out here in Sasquatch territory here in Canada. And my hot water heater is acting up. It's brand new, it's under warranty, but it's got to be something simple. So anybody know how to solve this? Put your comments down below. So we're going to talk about that today.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever.
So we definitely have gas and it's on. And to prove we got gas, take a looky here. We definitely got lots of gas. And looky here, we got spark and ignition, but look what happens. It just flames out. I've tried manually lighting it, doesn't work. I've tried resetting it. I've tried resetting it on the inside. I've tried throwing the breaker. I don't know what the heck is going on. There, it's going to do 3 attempts to light, but it's just not staying on, in spite of the fact that we have ignition and we have gas. So I don't know what's going on. Now this sucker, if you guys follow my channel, is brand new. I think it's like 2 months old or so, and it's under warranty, so I'm not worried that it's not going to get fixed, because the electric part of it is working just fine. But this has got to be a simple adjustment. There's got to be something just so simple that has to be done to make this thing work. But hey, I'd like to have a hot shower in the morning, so I don't know what I'm going to do. So let's talk about what you guys might think it could be. So what the heck do you think this problem is? The basics of it working are all there. We got gas, we got ignition, we got flame, and we got air as a fuel. So everything fundamentally is there. It's a near new hot water heater, and I can't figure it out in spite of every little thing I've done. I've even turned on the burners inside, ran them. There's a few cockamamie YouTube videos up to tell me that I've got air in the gas lines or something like that, but that's hooey. I tried all those things, didn't work. And I can't figure out what the problem is. And I don't know what kind of adjustments I have. Maybe there's too much gas flow and it's kind of blowing itself out. It's not like I'm in a high wind area. Like the awning's out, it's not windy, it's not blowing the flame out or anything like that. So I cannot, for the life of me, figure out why. So I'm leaving it up to you experts. If you ever encountered this, it just doesn't make sense, and it kind of gets under my skin. Now, I just had a shower a few hours ago, and the damn thing's under warranty, and I know it can get fixed without any cost to me, but I sure as heck would love a comment tonight, if possible, and how I can fix this so that I can have a nice hot water shower in the morning here in the hinterland of Canada. I mean, that's the beautiful thing about the shoulder Canadian travel season with the RV. There's only a handful of people out here in the bush, and it is serene. The weather's not bad. And hey, it's nice to have a fully self-contained unit, including hot water for a shower. So the tank is still fairly warm, and I guess if I keep having it cycle and it burns for a few seconds here and there, the water will still be probably tepid in the morning, and I could probably use it. But I sure as hell would like to know what is causing this, because it just doesn't seem to make sense. And I don't see any adjustments on there. There's the reset buttons. I've tried all that, done all sorts of resets, turn the gas off, turn the gas on, you know, turn the breakers, you know, all sorts of stuff, stupid stuff that probably doesn't even matter. I've tried it all. Now, perhaps there's a jet adjustment somewhere that I'm not seeing, that I can maybe adjust the flow. Maybe the flow is too high or too low. And there's a sensor that is built in here into the system that's saying, hey, turn off the gas. That's the funny thing about these things. They've got really good safety protocols built in, so that if something isn't right, it defaults to off. And that's what I think this system is doing. It's saying, oh boy, system is kind of working, but not quite, so let's just get her done and shut her down for safety. And that's what's happening, folks. So put your comments down below, all you RV techs and people that are a lot smarter at these things than I am. And talk to you soon from the hinterland of Canada.
I don't mind even though I lose control. This